Hello beautiful people, welcome to our channel Apurva and Abhya. Please subscribe and click on the bell icon to be the first to see the latest video. Today we have come up with amazing and creative DIY that is do it yourself, as we all know about pop holders and everybody's loving and buying it. It is a grip, it's a stand, or I can say it is a lifesaver for me. Market have abundance of designs and patterns, and we always search for our favorite design and pattern. So why not we create our own unique and favorite design to show off our creativity. So enjoy the video and let's get started. So here I have this scrap and old pop socket, so now I'm going to give it a new look. So first take any bright color for the base. So here I'm taking this yellow bright color for the base. And now take any other bright color which goes with combination and contrast. So here I am taking bright pink color nail paint and creating these random dots. Guys, you really not need to be perfect, and you can see how unshaped they are. You just do it randomly. So here I am taking black nail art pen, or you can take a black CD marker for the outlining. I am creating this cheetah print design by making random outlinings on these dots like this. And again, you really no need to be perfect. As I always say, one should just attempt any creative thing, as nobody's born artist. Just a creative mind is all we need. Okay, now fill this remaining part with these small random dots. So it's done, and now I am giving it little shine with this glitter and sparkle nail paint of mine and allowing it to dry in between till we make the another one. So for that I have taken this paintbrush with white Rangila color and making random circle, and with the same brush taking this pink bright pop color and filling it completely. For that you need to give 2 or 3 coat at least for the strong base. On this one, I am giving a luscious and amazing donut design. Now it is completely dry, and with that black nail art pen, or you can take a marker, making an inner circle and outer circle on it and giving this random boundary line. Again, red alert, you really no need to be perfect. Just give it and attempt it like randomly. Now with the help of very thin paintbrush, I am giving the actual and real donut design on it by making colorful sprinklers on the donut base. Like this. And now we are done with both the patterns, and you can see how beautiful and attractive they are looking. As you have seen how easy and fun it was to customize your way. And now to seal your hard work and for the permanent stay, you can take any of your gel nail color or transparent nail color to lock your design. Also, it helps to embrace and gives shines to your pattern. Apply as many coats as you need to cover the surface completely. Also, do not forget to apply it on the edges so that your pattern locks completely. And now repeating same procedure on other pop holder also. And after this, keeping it for a night to dry it completely. And now both pop sockets are ready. I love the way it coordinates with my phone case, and the sparkles just make me smile. So what do you think? Would you love one of these on your phone too? So let's be twins. Also signing out with hoping that you liked this video. If you liked it, do let me know in the comment section how much you liked it. Also, do not forget to subscribe my channel, share this video with your creative friends and relatives. Thank you so much for watching this video. For more such videos, you can click any of those. Bye bye.